Hey, we're here at Austrian Audio headquarters, and I'm standing with Mr. Christoph Frank. He's one of our senior acoustics engineers. And Christoph, we're standing in a special place. Can you tell us a little bit about where we are?
Well, this will be our Anechoic room, actually. So we just started the construction. As you know, our old company had several acoustic rooms, and we will place our history in here. So we will overtake one of the acoustic chambers, which was used for quality assurance, so the best one basically, and bring it here.
So we recuperated one of the original ones, and now we're installing it here at Austrian Audio.
Right.
What's an anechoic chamber used for?
Well, basically, if you do any sound measurements, you want to avoid any reflections, right? So what you do is you build a big hall, put a lot of foam inside, or some absorbing material, and then you're good to go.
So what do you do about like really deep vibrations, like from trucks or something really big outside?
Well, length is everything. First of all, so for the isolation inside, you put a lot and long material inside. But for the outside vibration, we basically build another shell. Yeah? So we are here in the warehouse, which has already a shell outside. And we just now finished the construction of a second shell to make sure we are well isolated from the outside. And yeah, of course, the front wall after everything is put inside.
Oh, so all the gear has to go in first.
Exactly.
Okay. So what kind of product is tested in an anechoic chamber?
Well, first of all, microphones, obviously. That's the classic one. So you always want to measure in a distance of 1 meter. So you have a speaker on one place and the microphone on the other one. And then you can do your measurements. That's the first thing. And last but not least, noise cancelling headphones. So if you talk about that, it's also good to have a room basically which has no influence on the acoustics, which is also why we're using this for noise cancelling headphone measurements.
So I guess the short version is you need a controlled area in order to determine your true specs.
That silent area.
Okay, great. We'll catch you guys episode 2 as we follow up.
See you.